Can't say
We
nothing
have
more
to,
than that.
we have to invest before you win.
Qualify for the World Cup and get out corruption. So my hope is Carl Grimson and Dennis Strong, match made in heaven. I don't think Mr. Chung are the type of man who are grab up the money and put it in the pocket. In my opinion, the man coming to the JFF with the money, him coming to the JFF to improve the organization. I take him at face value until he fail me. Al Grimson improve the football will get the money, then Strong use the money, improve the football, and he just have nice circle. So the more the football improve, the more money we'll get, the more money we'll get, the more the football improve. And and that's basically where Joe Parry was said. Or does Parry.
Why if we tap in at the diaspora though, bro, and stop just think about look, man, it's hard. It's so hard. Because you want to improve and want better entertainment, but at the same time, the man not profit from it. Like you have to invest what you can maintain in the field, and then the returns for investment is not great. Yo man, you want to give them a JPL breakdown?
How me think the JPL to improve?
No, not the improvement. How you think the clubs will improve?
How much money you think these teams make?
Yeah.
All right, so essentially, what I know that is in the JPL per game, you have at least 1,000 people that go a game. You get me? I say, me know say for the game, then me look around, me see a Jackson, me see a Mobe, me see a Jules and Arnett, at least 1,000 people, which is a little bit of people. Me see at least 1,000 people, and then them a charge $1,000 per game. Right, so from gate, how much that them a bring in? You know, that's $1 million. You get me? I say 1,000 times 1,000. And then you think about that's where you can get at the gate each game. Considering that each team have 12 home games, barring 2 or 3, where sportsmen might take from them. So each team have 10 home games, right? So that's a $10 million you can make from the gate alone. No.
Prodigy, first of all, I get challenged already. Prodigy said 1,000 people per game. I lie.
No man, like 1,000 people are not a whole heap of people. Keep in mind that these stadiums are whole like 5,000 people. Like 1/5 of these stadiums are being filled. We have this perception that 1,000 people is not 1,000 people. Just think about school devotion in the morning when you used to go high school. General devotion.
How many people?
And the whole school there. At 2,500 people, at almost 3,000 people there in the whole devotion. The
And
majority of
that's
schools
close
have
up.
like
And
15
that's close up.
Huh?
And that's close up. Put them on a football field and run a football field. So
Yeah,
it's single.
exactly. So put them in a stadium scantily populated. You aggregate 1,000, you get me I say? No
Yeah.
man, of course, we not go JPL game, we see them on TV. Like we talk about Stadium East. Stadium East hold at least 3,000, 4,000 people. Maybe more. And at least 1/5 of Stadium East are full. You get me I say? At least that much. You know, we see it at Tony Spalding Complex. At Tony Spalding Complex, hold a good amount of people. At least 1/5 of the stadium are full. You know, we see it at Jackstall. Jackstall get more than 1,000. Promise a Jackstall
Of course.
when and them school them team they are playing. Them I get more than 1,000. You get me I say? The same
Yeah.
thing I'm okay, them really come out and support them football. So some of these teams we know say 1,000 is the bare minimum. Just think about when you used to their school and them have general devotion. And you see 1,000 people up on a little basketball court. You know, when I did go Meadowbrook before, the JPL is boring. I tried to watch and I said, it's the their chicken and rice money to watch it. That's true. Can't fight that. But me I say, 1,000 people definitely I go. So if you think about 1,000 people, I got each game for 10
They
home
charge grand.
that a $10 million each team can make. Now, say on average, a player I make $150,000 a month, which we know that's not the case. Some I make more, but some I make way less. You get me? I say. So it's on average, each player on a squad I make 150,000. So you do.
Unseen, we probably have a little bit more insight into this. What the average JPL salary? What do you think of the average JPL salary?
Sorry?
Average, like
Yeah,
high
man.
end, bottom end, in the middle.
Alright, so we know like you have players like Romans, players like Mount Pleasant that get 200,000 a month.
Mhm.
You know?
Alex Marshall from Portmore, them player there. That are the type of numbers that them are getting. So me I say, so on average, say of that 10 million where you get from Gates alone, 4.5 million a player salary, and that's high. We have put that on the high end, because we average that at 150. You get me I say? 4.5 million a player salary, then you add probably an X2 or then you add probably an X 2 million, 3 million for for maintenance, for run the organization. You get me? I say that probably give at least a profit in the owner pocket, which is not much to these owners, but at least that give a profit of like $2 million in the owner profit. You know, when you talk about what sponsorship I give, when you talk about what you get from the league, when you talk about this or that. So it's not that the JPL clubs not generate revenue, you know. It's underrated how much revenue these clubs are generate. But then we have people where no one put back the money in the football. You get me? I say? As compared to a club like Mount Pleasant now, where they put back money in the football and we can see where them are reap rewards. Cavaliers put back money in the football. You get me? I say? But people think say, oh, the club them not make money. Them sneaky and make a good little food. Because that's the only gates me I talk about.
One boy will make a good food out of football.
Mm.
How about you as well?
Alright.